Hello, Sue here again from Sue's Dog Broadmouth Kitchen, and I'm just going back to the rolls that I've made with our soda bread, and I've made these lovely rolls to go with our burgers today, so I'm hoping they come out alright. They're nice and crunchy, that's for sure. So I'm just going to cut one open and see what it looks like inside. Okay, so I only made 6 because there's only me and my partner, and we'll have I doubt if I can eat 2 of these. I probably can only eat 1 because these are going to be extra filling, because they're not like burger bun rolls, because burger bun rolls are not that filling, are they? So anyway, so I'm going to cut one. So we're just homing on this one, or this one here. They smell gorgeous actually. I mean, they smell really, really good. So I'm going to just get this bread knife here. And they've taken about, not very long, about 35 minutes. They're really hot still, by the way. Because what I did was, I turned the oven off, but I left the rolls in there. So, oh, look how lovely they are. So these are my soda bread rolls, and they're lovely inside, look. So lovely and light. They smell amazing. So these are for our burgers today. But we're having our burgers outside, so I can't really show you a finished product because we're actually eating them today outside. I made a burger sauce to go with this, and I will show you that. Okay, the finished product. So here are my soda bread rolls, made with plain flour, by the way. And that's it really. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it's a bit bitty because I've made 3 separate videos, one with the soda bread rolls, one with the burgers, and one with the burger sauce, okay? So you can watch them, a bit of each one if you want, just so you can get the notion of how they go together, okay? Because I wanted to just do this for you today, because this is what we're having this evening, and we're going to go outside and this is ready now. So I'm going to put cheese on the burgers as well, okay? So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Give me a thumbs down if you don't. And tell your family and friends about my channel. And if there's anything that you would like me to bake for you, cook for you, please let me know in the comments below. If you want the recipe for these soda bread rolls, please just leave a comment below. Look at them. Beautiful. So thank you for watching my channel, and I'll see you again soon. So bye for now. Bye.